Rani Mukherjee makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to start with a color corrector in the shade Light Cherry from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to buff it out with this brush. Next, I'm going to apply the proper shade of concealer, and then I'm going to buff it out with the same brush. I use NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. After I've applied my concealer and my color corrector, I like to put a tiny bit of powder to set it. For this look, I'm going to use Urban Decay Naked Palette. I'm going to start by using this as a transition shade, and that's going to pull my whole look together. I really like this palette. It has a lot of beautiful neutral shades. Next, I'm going to take the slightly darker shade and put it just above where I would like my crease to be, providing more dimension to this look. I did apply a couple of layers of this particular shade because I wanted it to be deeper. Now I'm going to take this really light shade and I'm going to apply it over both of my lids. This will provide a good base for the shimmer that I will apply. Now I'm going to take this lovely champagne colored shimmer and apply it with my fingers to both of my lids. This look has a touch of bronze to it, so I did use a couple of the bronzier shimmer shades, and I'm going to apply them on both of my lids as well. I also took one of the deeper shades and applied it to my outer lids. Going to go back in with this caramel shimmer shade and apply it to my lids. Now I'm going to take a L'Oreal Infallible pencil liner and line my waterline, as well as use this as an underline for this particular look. I want the line to look slightly smudged, so I did take this flat angled brush and smudged it. I also opted to use the same pencil underneath my liquid pencil that I will be applying for additional depth. Here is my liquid liner, and I like to use this to create a precise line as well as a wing. This is NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black. I did make a bit of a mess, so I took a Q-tip with micellar water and cleaned the edges before applying mascara. You can use any mascara for this look. I applied it before putting lashes on, which I will do off camera. I find that it gives a good support to the lashes. Now it's time for my foundation. Here I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation in the shade Custard. It is one of my favorite foundations. And then I'm going to follow it up by using Rare Beauty Liquid Contour in the shade Solace, just to provide some dimension to my face and to my look. I'm sometimes a bit too heavy-handed with the contour, I notice, but I like it, so I'll continue to use it. I also don't want to forget my nose. Using Huda Beauty new Strawberry Latte Quad. It's a beautiful, beautiful quad, and I'm going to follow it up by using Viva La Vergara Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. And now for the highlight, I'm using my new Natasha Denona highlighting palette. This is such a beautifully subtle highlight. I thought it went really, really well with this look. And here is my final makeup look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.